welcome to day one of our 30-day Python series. I'm Umi Asma, and over the next 30 days, I'll be guiding you through the fundamentals of Python programming. Whether you are a beginner or looking to strengthen your coding skill, this course is something for everyone. Okay, so now first let us understand what is a Python. Python is a high level interpreted programming language. So let's understand a brief history of Python. Okay, so the origin late 1980s, early 1990s. The creator of Python is Guido van Ransom. He created in late 1980s while working at Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica in Netherlands. Okay, what is the purpose of creating this language? So Guido wanted to design a language that was easy to learn and easy to use it. Okay, so as powerful as other major language. So this it should be powerful as other languages also like C, C++, Java. Okay. So the Guido focused on readability and developer productivity. So where did we get the name Python? So see, this Python name doesn't come from the snake. We have a snake, right? But from Guido's love for the British. So there was a comedy group called Monty Python's Flying Circus. So was his favorite show. From there he got a name Python. So he kept his language name as a Python. All right. Yeah. So now let's look at the when was the first release of the Python. So the first release of the Python is 1991. That is Python 1.0. Okay, it's released in February 1991. So it included features like functions, exception handlings, and code data types such as your string, list, and dictionaries. It introduced its key philosophy, like it has a key philosophy that is simple is better than complex. So now here we have a Python 2.0. So it is launched in 2000. What significant improvement like list, comprehensions, and garbage collections. So however, Python 2 reached its end of life in 2022. Okay. Then we got Python 3.0 that is released in 2008. Okay, so it is a most widely used version today. So it introduced modern features like better Unicode support and simplified syntax. The current version as of 2025 is Python 3.11. Okay, and it reached the update enhanced speed, security, and developer experience. So now let's understand the evolution and major version of Python. So Python 2.x, that is 2000, released in October 2000, introduced features like list comprehensions, garbage collections. However, Python 2 had a limitations and backward compatibility become a challenge for them. So then we got a Python 3.x in 2008. So that was released in December 2008. So a major overhaul to fix issues in Python 2 and make the language more consistent. All right. So not backward compatible with Python 2, but it offered better support for modern programming practices. Now modern growth in 2010s and the present. Okay, so Python saw rapid adoption in fields like data science, machine learnings with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, etc. So web development using frameworks like Django and Flask. Okay, automation and scripting. Education as well as it's beginner friendly and used to teach programming worldwide. So Python 2 support official ended in 2020, solidifying Python 3 as the standard. All right. Yeah. So now Python today, it ranks among the top programming languages globally. Why do you want to learn Python? Okay, what is the use of learning Python? So see, Python is ranks the top programming language globally, all over the globe. Okay, known for its simplicity, it is very simple, versatility, and have a massive community. Okay, used in domains like Python is used in domains like AI, finance, web development, game development, and much more. So it is an open source interpreted high level language. So it allows developer to run the code on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix. So it uses elegant syntax, hence the program is easy to read. So now let's look at what is an IDE. So An IDE, that is the full form of an IDE, is IDE is Integrated Development Environment in Python. So it is a software application that provides a comprehensive environment to write, edit, debug, and run Python code efficiently. Okay, it combines several tools and features in it. One interface, making it easier for developers to work with Python. So let's look at the features of an IDE. So in an IDE, we have a code editor, a place to write and edit the Python code with syntax highlighting and code formatting. Then we have a debugger. So it helps to find and fix errors, that is your bugs, in your code by allowing you to step through it line by line. Okay. Then we have a code completion. It provides us suggestions for a functions, variables you create, and the keywords such as your type, speeding, and coding. Let us look at the more features of an IDE. So that is, we have a built-in terminal or console, we can say, that is allows you to run. So this section allows you to run Python script directly within the IDE. Okay. So project management, we have it. It helps organize multiple files and folders in larger projects. So this is the plus for a Python. Integration with libraries and tools. It supports Python packages and libraries for tasks like data analysis, machine learning, or web development. Okay, let's understand the different Python IDEs. So here we have a PyCharm, we have Visual Code Studio, then we have a Sublime Text, and here this is an Autumn Python. All right. So Jupyter Notebook, and we have IntelliJ. We have a different IDs. There are a lot of IDs. Okay, you can go ahead with and use that IDEs. So also you can choose any IDEs you want that suits your needs, especially if you are a beginner. So that's all for today. For day one, today we have led the foundation by understanding Python, its evolution, modern growth, and how to get started with an IDE. Tomorrow we will dive into installing Python and running our first programming. So if you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments what IDE you will be using for this course. So see you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.